Here's an introduction to Stemmons Enterprise for three kinds of people: Specifists, Generalists, and Strategists. Let's jump in. Companies do a lot of different things. They use a lot of applications and they have a lot of processes. We can think of these things as specific use cases. Nobody would argue that companies do these things, and they often need systems and applications to help them do so. Sometimes these areas are well covered, sometimes poorly. Sometimes companies have an immediate need, or a need that they're not even aware of. There are many things on this list, but we'll focus on just a few, and the people that tend to have direct responsibility for those things. These individuals have defined responsibilities, and they focus intensely on their most known needs. They care about things like business process, screen design, reports they're going to use, user experience, and very specific functions. These conversations focus on their needs and on what Stemmons actually does. Because their needs are different, we have different conversations with each person. Nothing surprising there, so hold that thought, because now we're going to talk about part 2, configurable platform. It's a very different conversation with this person. We're talking about philosophical things like the patterns and nature of work, business operations systems, normalized data, low-code, no-code platforms, and a visualization layer. We end up talking about our philosophy and how Stemmons works rather than what it does. Of course, there's a connection between the two, because we can use Stemmons to address things that the company does. First, we can meet immediate needs. Second, we can fill gaps that were not even really on the radar. As systems begin to fail, or if we want to eliminate silos or save money, we can move things into Stemmons. And as new opportunities arise, we can configure those systems quickly as well. Now that we understand what Stemmons can do and how it works, we can move on to the kinds of benefits that we can get from having a unified approach like this. This conversation starts with basics like efficiency and reduced costs. We also get flexibility and innovation, quality and scale. Workplace issues come next: hiring, job mobility, and rethinking the role of experience in a company. Finally, Stemmons is a perfect springboard to leverage new technologies like analytics, algorithms, machine learning, and blockchain. These three parts correspond to certain types of people. On the right, we have a specifist. It could be an operations manager or a business group head, process owner, or team leader. This person is interested in specific business needs, operational issues, and solution selection. On the left, we have a generalist. Could be a director of IT or operations, a business analyst, or a decision architect. They touch a lot of different processes, so they want to talk about enterprise data, integration issues, and application management. Finally, we've got the strategist. This could be a C-level executive, a director of innovation or strategy. They want to talk about business strategy, future-proofing the organization, and innovation in general. We can start the conversation anywhere, but Stemmons is unique in that we want all three of these types of people to be involved, and when they are, we can do incredible things. So give us a call and let us know where you want to start.